Amazon's Choice Badge. We all want it. We all know it actually gets us a ton more sales. But how the hell do you get the Amazon's Choice Badge? In this video, I'm going to show you.
All right, so Farney. Hey, Neil, how do you get the Amazon's Choice Badge? Are there any hacks? All right, so, well, we're going to start with some background to that. And we're going to start with what the hell is the Amazon's Choice? So Amazon's Choice is very, very simply what Amazon will recommend to you if you use a smart speaker to request a particular product. Okay, that's what Amazon's Choice is. So if you say to Amazon, hey Amazon, I want a, what is this, air mattress, then Amazon will suggest this product to you. Okay, they'll suggest that product to you because that's the Amazon's Choice. So which you'll notice is different to the best seller. Also notice the bestseller is still running PPC ads, and also notice the bestseller is not ranked #1 for that search term. Lots of interesting shit going down there. There's the bestseller just there. Anyway, so let's talk about Amazon's Choice. So, so that's what it is. It's when you use a smart speaker, an Echo Dot or whatever it may be, to order a product from Amazon, and then Amazon will say, I've got this particular product, it's an Intex Durabeam, and they'll say to you, it's $25.63, bloody, bloody, blah. That comes back, okay? I don't know if you've ever used it. They're awesome. That's what happens. And here's something you may not notice. This is smart speaker penetration. I like saying that word, penetration in the USA. I have recently started using, where's my phone? My particular mobile phone for freaking everything. And I now ask Google heaps and heaps of stuff. Once you start doing it, you will recognize how easy it makes your life. Hey, Google, book me a calendar appointment to go and see the proctologist, whatever it may be. I don't see a proctologist, not anymore. So it's a really, really cool thing to do. You should definitely get one if you haven't used it. This is the way things are going to go. All right. So more and more, that's an important thing to get. It's an important thing to get. And putting the word Amazon's Choice up here, well, I know for certain, I don't know this to be true, so just to clarify, if you are the Amazon bestseller, that is worth 10% more sales to you over and above not being the bestseller. Not because you're getting more sales and that's how you get the bestseller badge, but by having the bestseller badge, it actually makes your listing stand out like dog's balls, and you get 10% more click-throughs that lead to sales. There's social proof there from a higher authority. Go read Cialdini. That explains everything for you. Anyway, so I don't know. So I know that's true for bestseller. I don't know that it's true for Amazon's Choice, but I suspect it will absolutely have an impact on your sales as well. So there's advantages to be had purely from a psychological point of view. Anyway, what's very important to know is that Amazon's Choice badge is given to you for a specific search term. So that is the Amazon's Choice for air mattress. It may not be the Amazon's Choice, let's just check, for air bed. So it is based upon, where is the choice badges? Oh, did I miss it? Bestseller. It's based upon the search term, all right? So that's why you can have the Amazon's Choice badge on a particular product category search term, but you may not get it on many others. There isn't even one for that particular one, okay? Or if there is, it's just not on page 1. So there's that. So it's all dependent on the search term. So how do you get it? Well, I know with certainty that you need to have Amazon FBA to get the choice badge. You need to be FBA to get the choice badge. It operates upon reviews and ratings much, much more so than it operates on sales history. So your reviews and positive reviews specifically are much more important, and positive sales ratings, so your seller ratings, are much more important than your actual amount of sales that you make. So Amazon is sorting for who is happy. If I say you should order this, because think about it, it's Amazon recommending something to you. It's their choice, okay? So they are much more interested in telling you to buy something that is going to work for you rather than just saying, which is a kind of arbitrary metric, this is the best selling thing. That doesn't speak to anything about the quality of the product or the efficacy of the product for your particular purposes. Just says that's best selling. Whereas Amazon's choice, that's them recommending something to you, okay? Therefore, it's much more important that you get consistently high reviews and consistently high seller ratings, okay? They're the most important things. And what you want to notice about that is that Amazon works on a 7-day rolling schedule, meaning if you suddenly start getting poor reviewers, you will absolutely lose the Amazon's Choice badge. So it works on a 7-day rolling schedule. But what that also means is to get the Amazon Choice badge, finally he answers the question, what you need to do is demonstrate that the customers who are buying your product love the product and really rate it very, very highly. So it comes back to that review getting strategy that we've already discussed last week. The more positive seller reviews and product reviews you get, the more likely you are to get the Amazon's Choice badge. And how many of those do you need to get? Well, you simply need to get more than the current person who's got the Amazon's Choice badge. So, and you don't get to know what that is, of course. So this particular mattress here, let's go in and let's just go down to their reviews. You just need to get more than they are getting to usurp them in what they're doing. So let's just have a look. Most recent. Here we go, look. So you can just have a look here. Here's what they're getting in terms of reviews. You just need to get more than they do. Obviously, you've got to sell a good product to get that, of course. It's got to be FBA. That's also important. But if you do that, make sure you're getting seller feedback as well as product feedback. That's what you need to do. Pretty simple. Hi, I'm Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from zero to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.